I'm Kouki. It's about 5:45 right now. I'm gonna put a Jake and hen decoy out and give a couple of calls and see if anything responds at all.
Oh, you got a boss hen.
I've got 2 Jakes and a top. They just started walking along the tree line.
You got a top and 2 Jakes. I'm gonna walk right down to us. You want to see top? Far left. Yep. This is Commerce Jake. Relax. He's not a good bird either. Hopefully it doesn't go with those other hens. He's afraid of Jakes. No, 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 no. Damn, I knew I should have brought that out. I should have left the fucking entrance. I'm gonna set up in that back corner too. It's just so far away.
They just went into the woods. I can see them coming towards me. I'm gonna take the shot at the tom that's out front. Back of the woods. Took a shot, missed, ran right out, took him down.
Okay. He's fine. All right there.
I'm Kouki. Today is May 5th, 2012, about 7:15 a.m. I was out here last weekend, called the birds and had some responses out of them, but they were uncooperative. This morning, had 5 hens come walking out. There was then 2 jakes and this tom. He strutted around quite a bit. Ended up, he really didn't care for these decoys here, so they walked into the trees, and I took the shot about 20 yards behind the blind into the trees. He ran back out in front of us about 40 yards, and then I took the final kill shot, and this is my first turkey that I've ever taken. Hunt was successful today. Had them come out, walk along, strutting,